Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lori. Today on my channel, we are going to be doing an Unwantable unboxing. So it seems like I just did an Unwantable unboxing, and I know I have a monthly subscription, but it seems like I get them a little bit sooner than a month, so I'm not sure if they're shipping earlier because of shipping delays due to COVID, but whatever. We're gonna dive right in and see what we got this month. Ooh, I like the sticker. So it says, styled for Lori. That's new. Makes me feel so special. All right, so let's see what we got here. We got a little note. Oh, now you can return USPS or UPS. Return envelope. And the first item we have is Pretty Little Things. So this is going to be a jewelry item. And it looks like some sort of gold necklace. This is going to be hard to see on the camera, but we'll try it on. So that's item one. We have this top. This is from Sanctuary. Nice little floral print. Little elastic banded sleeves. Next we have I think it's a black t-shirt from Splendid. A gray and white sweater. And this is from Metric. That's cute. I like that. The next piece is a Wantable piece. And this is a green waffle knit print. Not really print. Waffle knit texture. Long sleeve top, almost like a thermal top. This is a green and black print dress from Gilly. I'm usually not a fan of skirts that length. And then we have from Sanctuary a pair of look like cargo pants. And I think they're gray. It's really hard to tell sometimes with the lighting, and it's kind of dark here today. It's been raining a little bit. But those are the items in my Wantable box. Let's try everything on. That concludes the try. Now let's talk about each of the individual pieces. So the first item I have is these, I guess they're like a cargo pant from Sanctuary, and these are cute. I like them. They do feel a little snug in the thigh. They're a little bit lower rise than I think I would like, and for the price point, I'm not sure I will keep these, but let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, but I'm kind of leaning towards sending these ones back. Up next is this t-shirt from Splendid. I don't really like this. I think it's just too expensive for a t-shirt. I'd rather go buy a t-shirt from Target. I don't think the quality is anything to write home about. It's just a basic tee. For the price point, nah, not gonna keep it. Plus I think it's a little on the boxy side. Then we have this skirt. I like the print. I like that it's like stretchy at the top. I think I would like it more if it was like maybe around the knee height. This is actually a midi skirt, but it looks like a full length skirt on me because I'm only 5'4". So, I kind of feel old lady-ish in this kind of style just because, I don't know, maybe because I am short and it just makes me feel old. I don't want to feel older than I am. Next we have this floral top. Now this top I will say I don't like. This is definitely going back. So it has elastic sleeves here, and kind of like right before that it's kind of big, and I think that if I was like eating a plate of food and I don't know, I just think that my sleeves would get dirty in my food. The other thing I don't like is if you were to raise your arms up like this, that top is gonna come like right up under your bust line, and it's not flattering, and I don't want to show off my midriff. The other thing I don't like is where it kind of connects right through here. If you can see it, it's a snap. I would rather like the hook and eye type closure, because if you bend a certain way, you push your shoulders back, it's gonna go boop, and everybody's gonna see everything. So, nope. Up next is this waffle print top. Nothing wrong with it. I like the color. I like that it has a big front pocket, but I just think it's too expensive for what it is. $78 for this? Like, are you guys kidding me? I think it would be cute for the fall, you know, paired with, you know, a pair of skinny jeans, boots, maybe a scarf or something. But for the price point, no. Next is this gray and white top, and it has this little detailing on the sleeve, which is really cute. I like this. I think it's really soft. I could see myself wearing this. It's a good transition piece when you kind of want a sweater, but you don't really want to commit to a full sweater. This is what you're going to want to wear. So I like this. I think for the price point, it's not bad. So this one I'm definitely planning on keeping. Last but not least is this gold necklace. I think it's really pretty, but this is the kind of necklace that no matter what you do when you have it on, it's going to twist and it's never going to lay very nice. That being said, I'm probably not going to keep it, especially for the price that it is, but it is very pretty. I do like it, but I just think I'm going to be fiddling with it all day trying to make sure that it's straight, and it's just never going to be straight. So I think I'm going to return this necklace. So let me know what your favorite items are in the comment section below. If there's any other types of videos that you would like to see, also put that down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.